So it's been a big first week of 2022 on the COVID-19 front, and tonight we have the biggest headlines you need to know about. First up, some extra context on those record-setting case numbers. Now, we've been telling you nearly every night here, more North Carolinians are testing positive for COVID than ever before. Take a look at this. You see the spike here? More than 28,000 new cases in just one day. Now, a lot of this surge is just truly higher COVID spread than we've ever seen before, because believe it or not, North Carolina isn't quite yet reaching that record-setting testing level that we saw last winter surge, but it is getting pretty close. The average record testing was just over 66,000 tests a day, and that was in mid-January of 2021. But we did actually just hit a recent record here in single-day testing. So take a look here at New Year's Eve, where you could see the state did more than 95,000 tests in one day. Keep in mind that these numbers don't include people using at-home test kits, which generally don't get reported to the state. So now here are some other big headlines to know as we wrap up the week.
Telling you to get a vaccine doesn't work. So I'm going to just say we're begging you, please get vaccinated.
Desperation from local health officials as Omicron surges through the state. But a hiccup in the testing effort. WCNC Charlotte discovered this week thousands who got tested at StarMed locations were waiting days longer for their results.
I'll take full responsibility. It was something I wish we had caught at least a day sooner.
It turns out there was a glitch in StarMed's reporting software. The provider sharing this website today so patients can access missing results. High testing demand and high case counts translating to overworked contact tracers statewide.
We're doing the best that we can to keep up with the workload and continue to keep our community safe.
Cabarrus County health leaders tell us they're prioritizing contact tracing for anyone under 21 and for folks living and working in long-term care facilities and congregate settings. There was some hopeful news this week for families looking for more vaccine protection for their teens, the CDC approving Pfizer's booster for those 12 and up. And just today, North Carolina health leaders updating guidance for schools. Vaccinated students exposed to COVID-19 no longer have to quarantine. This comes as new numbers show COVID spreading quickly through Charlotte Mecklenburg schools. Classrooms, after-school programs, and bus routes all impacted. The district telling us tonight nearly 100 school bus drivers were out this week, causing delays in getting kids to and from school. And more than 1,000 teachers called out, leaving office staff and subs to step in. The virus continues to impact local businesses, too. Tonight, Harris Teeter announcing it's closing at 9 p.m., starting Monday, to give more time to clean stores and restock shelves overnight.
So if you are still looking for an at-home COVID test in Mecklenburg County, public health officials are actually giving some out tomorrow. That's going to happen at Philip O'Berry Academy or Bojangles Coliseum. You can check that out between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Essentially, if you stop by those two locations, your household could get up to 2 test kits. That's equal to 4 individual tests.